Hello everyone, my name is James Ryan, and I'm here to make for you a game with Unity 3D. And I'm on Unity 4 now, and I have no idea what's going on at all. So yeah, let me see if I can get my bearings. Okay, inspectors here, that's pretty standard. Hierarchy, that used to be down here, that's okay. Oh, these are just the assets, and okay, everything's fine. Okay, I understand what's going on. They just kind of like added icons. That's good. Okay, cool. Materials, sure. I'll do the textures eventually. Get over it. What have I got in the actual game? What happens if I press play? Oh gosh. I hope it hasn't just gotten rid of everything. Do I still have my code? Yeah, okay, what have I got in my scene? I've got nothing in my scene. Oh, that's a bit of a problem, isn't it? I have a camera. Oh, come on, I should be recording my mouse with Bandicam, shouldn't I? Don't tell me it's not actually recording the mouse. Let's see. No, it's not hiding the mouse, because let's enable the pause button. Test that out. Good, pause works. Not that you would have noticed. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to load up my code again. And I'm going to have to clean some things up. Let's play a script. What is all this? I don't even know. Like, it's been like a few months, a month or two now, and I'm just confused, and it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. And also I did some stuff with the spinner and all that. Whoa! Well, that's cool. Oh, man. I didn't even know. Maybe I shouldn't have recorded this video until I got used to it. Also, it doesn't appear that my stuff is loading up. Oh, never mind. Here it is all at once. Oh, my. Just quit it all. Monsters. It's a monster. Oh, wait, oh, here we are. Good, there's the codes. Bouncyball.javascript.js, player script, and trigger setup. Okay, what's trigger setup? This is some math that somehow makes it work. Yeah. Transform.local scale x equals 0.6 of the parent divided by parent local scale x plus 1. Sure thing. Wouldn't that make it smaller the bigger the wait a second. The parent was bigger, then that would be smaller? Anyway, from what I can tell, this thing just makes sure that it's always at a constant width away from the parent or something. However I got it to work. This is trigger setup.js. I think this is just the trigger I attached to objects. Coolio. On trigger exit and all this. Okay, this is the most important script. This is the least important for the moment. I think I've come up with some ideas to make this important. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is, well, first of all, before I even get into that, I'm going to need to remake my scene. So I've got a cube prefab, which just consists of a cube with the tag full trigger, apparently. Is there any way I can change the mode of this so that it looks like kind of like this? No? Oh, that's alright. I'll just drag a cube in, zoom out. Okay. This all here is all familiar. I add component. That's new. That's cool. Good to know. Okay, let's see. It seems like I just got a cube object with a cube. Oh, I see. It's a cube, a normal cube with mesh render and a box collider with a cube trigger attached to it. And that trigger will set itself up so that it like expands a little during the actual scene. Now, player script. Let me just have a look at where this script references the camera object, because that will help me to know how I'm supposed to set this up. Camera. It's not how you spell camera. Camera. Oh, camera controls. There we go. Camera.main.transform.rotate. Oh, that doesn't help. Hang on a second. No, it does help. It says, okay, so for up and down it rotates the camera, but for left and right it seems to rotate itself. So I think what I've got is a character controller with the main camera as a child object of the character. Okay. So let's get that set up. Game object, create other. What the? Capsule? Empty? You don't create an empty one, do you? Do you? I'm so confused. Honestly. Maybe my YouTube can help. Alright, so from what it seems, I ended up using a capsule controller. I'm not sure if that's the best. I mean, I end up using a capsule. I'm not sure if that's the best, but it's okay, because we can just remove the mesh renderer later. So I just want to know if I wanted to use a capsule, if I wanted to create a capsule or a empty object. But it looks like I'm making a capsule. That's fine. So we're going to put out 0, 0, 0. Good. And we're also going to want this cube at random numbers, man. 0, 0, 0. For some reason it's scale 24, 24. That's probably how I set it up. How far do I need to zoom in? There we go. Alright, now if I select the capsule, sorry, not a controller yet, and I look from this perspective. Hang on. How do I, oh, there we go. Gonna put it up by 2. Yeah, that was it. That's what I did last time. Then I'm gonna add a component. Ooh, that's fancy, I guess. Physics. Ooh, very what the Are these components all in here as well? I'm just gonna use this for now. Character controller. There we go. Yes, we're all in place. Bam, character controller. I'll keep everything by default. Radius 0.50, whatever. Height 2. Apparently you can put the height from 0 to infinity, because I'm sure an infinite height would definitely not wreck everything.